Okay, welcome everybody. Trying to get a good look at the hardcore students, the dedicated ones, the ones that really want to learn. This is the crowd today. Who feels like extra points today? You can never go wrong with extra points, can you? Who knew that was coming? Anybody knew that it was coming? So yeah, extra points today, no question about it. It's another kind of exercise, but this time it's hard to, like the last one was very difficult to predict. We like to keep you on the edge of your seats. We don't want to be too predictable. This one is on advanced data visualization. So it's actually going to be points on coursework 2 again. Did anybody do the previous exercise for coursework 2, with the bonus points? Does anybody? Yeah. So this is a chance to get even more bonus points on coursework 2. So, oh, this is the wrong caption. Let's fix that. It's not about captions. Advanced data viz and coursework 3. Yep. So in this exercise, you will take a quiz on an advanced data visualization technique. We never explained this. We never talked about it. It's we haven't mentioned it yet at all. And we just want to find out how you do. We're basically trying to test how you're going to do. And I don't want to explain it too much because I'm afraid the more I talk about it, the more it will influence the results. And I want to just not say much because the more I say, the more it could potentially influence the results. Does that make sense? If I go into lots of details about why we're doing it and how we're doing it and all this stuff, it could influence the results. So I'm not going to talk about it. You're just going to take it. And then at the end, you take a screenshot with your final answers and you send it to me as kind of evidence that you took the test or the quiz or whatever you want to call it. Does that make sense? I'll say one thing. It's about clustering. Like we never talked about clustering, right? But clustering is a very popular visualization technique. It's a very popular data analysis technique. And that clustering is a universal analysis technique. It's used across wherever there's data, there's clustering. Because clustering helps find patterns and trends and it's everywhere. The more you look, the more you'll see and you'll notice that this clustering is everywhere. And by the way, clustering, does anybody know where clustering is popular nowadays? Does anybody think of an application where they know that clustering is popular?
Social media graph analytics.
That's one case scenario. Any other case scenarios, popular ones?
Customer segmentation.
Yep, segmentation. Yep. Any others? 2 letters. How about 2 letters? AI. Right? Clustering in machine learning, or ML. I could have said ML. Machine learning. So behind every AI engine is some sort of clustering. Something is going on there, right? Related to clustering. So it is very, very relevant to what's happening around in the world today. You're all brainwashed every day about AI. Well, not only you, I am too. So that's what that is about. By the way, if you're looking for a job, feel free to look at these videos. I get a lot of questions about jobs. And that's why I started this video series about how to find and get a job, basically. And thanks for everybody that so far who has filled out the survey. So I got an email today. I love email, by the way. So we got 23 responses so far out of this class, which is 148. So 15%. That's quite good, actually, but more would be better. 15% response rate is actually better than the average, probably, for the School of Computer Science, not the other schools. For some reason, the other schools get higher response rates. Computer science gets low response rates. Okay, any questions? So we think that this quiz will take around 30 minutes. That's what we expect. It's a set of questions about your background. So first there's questions about your background. It's a Google form. And then, so you have these demographic questions. Then you hit next. And then you see a video. You watch a video. The video is 1 to 2 minutes long. It's showing you something I don't want to talk about. And then you answer questions about that video. And that's it. And you do that 4 times. It's the same questions each time. It's 4 different videos. And that's it. It's quite simple. I think it's simpler than the last weeks. Hopefully it's simpler and quicker. And that's it. Any questions? Okay, if you do have any questions at any time, feel free to ask. And I'm going to pass around the notebook for everybody to sign again.